Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix something went wrong. Try reloading on X Twitter. It is a fast and easy tutorial. So let's dive into it. The message "something went wrong, try reloading on Twitter" can be frustrating. Here's how to fix this. Most of the time this issue is due to not updating your app. Outdated Twitter versions might have bugs that cause loading issues, so open the App Store and update Twitter if there's an update available. Also, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, so Wi-Fi or cellular data, as Twitter relies on it to function. Try opening another website or app to confirm your internet is working. You should also log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out of your Twitter account and logging back in can resolve temporary glitches. Another solution is to check Twitter status. Visit downdetector.com/status/Twitter to see if other Twitter users are experiencing similar issues. If it's a widespread problem, you might need to wait for Twitter to fix the issue on their end. If none of these solutions work, consider reporting the issue to Twitter support. That is how to fix something went wrong. Try reloading on X or Twitter. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.